This call will be monitored for scam detection. Please continue.
Hello, ma'am. I am your relationship manager from ICCI Bank, and we found a suspicious activity in your account. And in order to secure your account, we are verifying your Aadhaar card. Kindly share the OTP received in your mobile for KYC verification so that your account can be secured.
Unsafe. Caller's name not provided. Requesting sensitive information like an OTP for KYC verification, which is a common tactic used in scams.